Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is November 22nd, 2025, and we've got some big news in the XRPL and RWA, real-world asset, tokenization space. If you're following XRP, this video will be especially interesting, because new projects are building, partnerships are forming, and it could have real implications for XRP's price. Let's jump in. Right now, the XRPL is seeing a surge in real-world asset projects. These are initiatives that take assets in the real world, like money market funds, treasuries, real estate, commodities, and tokenize them on the XRPL. That means representing ownership digitally, making them tradable, fractional, fast to settle. Some of the key players, Archax plus Ripple, are partnering to let financial institutions tokenize real-world assets using XRPL. Franklin Templeton plus Ripple plus DBS are launching a tokenized US dollar money market fund called SGBENJI, which will operate on the XRPL. Ondo Finance has brought tokenized US Treasuries, OUSG, to XRPL, integrating with Ripple stablecoins. Launchpads focused on RWA are growing. Blocscale is one, ExoraPad another, plus XRPTurbo, all aiming to facilitate tokenization, real estate, AI projects, commodities, etc., on XRPL. Now, what could this mean for the price of XRP? First, more utility. As XRPL becomes a platform not just for payments and remittances but for tokenization of high-value assets, demand for its native token, XRP, may increase. Things like transaction fees, staking, if relevant, supporting these new smart contracts or features, all could drive usage. Second, institutional adoption. These kinds of RWA projects often involve institutions, large funds, compliance, regulation. If big players are using XRPL, that boosts credibility, which tends to bring capital in. Third, network effect and AMP, ecosystem scaling. More projects equals more developers, more integrations, more tools, more services. This tends to produce positive feedback loops. As the ecosystem strengthens, people hold more XRP, use it more frequently, etc. On the flip side, there are risks. Regulation could slow things down, competition from other blockchains doing RWA, delay in launch. But overall, the potential is significant. Some of the growing RWA launchpad, tokenization projects, like ExoraPad, Blocscale, XRPTurbo, are raising pre-sales, building infrastructure. They're early, but the pace is picking up. So in summary, the XRPL is evolving into more than a payment, remittance ledger. Real-world assets are becoming a major part of its future, and that could have meaningful upside for XRP's price, especially if adoption continues and regulatory clarity improves. If you like staying ahead of this kind of news, RWA tokens, XRPL developments, price implications for XRP, make sure to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. I'll be covering all of these projects in more detail as they progress. Thanks for watching today. Stay tuned for more deep dives into XRPL, RWA tokenization, and what that means for the future of crypto. Until next time, take care.